You are failing because you trust motivation. But motivation is a lie that keeps you weak. Your goals mean absolutely nothing if your daily routine is a completely broken mess. You think you need inspiration, but what you actually need is a ruthless framework. Step 1. Tracking your reality. Look closely at how you actually spend your days, because you are trapped in a continuous loop of cheap dopamine. You spend countless hours staring at screens, scrolling through endless feeds, escaping into video games, and lying to yourself that you will start tomorrow. Every morning you wake up with big intentions, but by afternoon you have surrendered to comfort. You watch other young people on the internet build incredible lives, wealth and strength, while you stay completely frozen in place, wasting the absolute peak years of your existence. Your focus is shattered, your attention span is ruined, and you are comforting yourself into a slow, quiet failure, hiding from the real world. You are trading your entire future for temporary hits of pleasure that leave you feeling empty and deeply anxious the second the screen turns black. Step 2. Taking total ownership. You must look directly in the mirror and accept absolute responsibility for this pain. Your current situation is not the result of bad luck, a bad environment, or your background. It is the direct result of the weak choices you made yesterday. And until you own your failures, you can never change them. Stop blaming your teachers, your parents, or the algorithm for your lack of focus. Realizing that you are the primary cause of your own suffering hurts deeply. But understanding that you possess the power to fix it is your only way out. You hold the pen to your own story, and right now, you are writing a tragedy of wasted talent. Turn your anger inward and use it as fuel to demand better from your execution. Step 3. Eliminating all distractions. If you refuse to change right now, look closely at the brutal cost of your continued inaction. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, still trapped in the exact same routine, sitting in the same room, watching your youth and potential completely rot away while your peers pass you by. You will face a crushing weight of regret because you chose comfort instead of growth. To break this curse, you must build a ruthless environment that eliminates distraction before it even starts. Delete the mindless apps that steal your brain power. Throw away the junk food that makes you sluggish. Clear your workspace and make the hard work the only clear option left on your desk. Discipline is not a random feeling. It is a physical system you construct to protect yourself from your own baseline laziness. Step 4. Reducing daily friction. Do not try to transform your entire life in a single day, because massive goals will only overwhelm your mind and freeze your progress. Instead, lower the friction by focusing entirely on winning the next hour and executing small, uncomfortable tasks with absolute precision. Pack your gym clothes the night before, open your books before you sleep, and make the right path the easiest path to step on. It is going to feel incredibly boring, and there will be mornings when the excitement fades and your mind begs you to quit. You will doubt your progress, you will want to sleep in, and you will wonder if any of this effort actually matters. But showing up when you feel completely empty, cold, and unmotivated is exactly how you break your old habits and forge a mind of pure steel. Step 5. Locking in your new identity. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you cast a vote for a stronger version of yourself. You are no longer a lazy teenager trying to get better. You are an active creator who executes regardless of how you feel. Your habits are the reflection of who you are. You are building a mind and a body that cannot be broken by temporary feelings, becoming completely unrecognizable to the person you were yesterday. The system is ready, the truth is exposed, and your youth is running out. Stop making excuses and take action right now.